Hi guys, welcome back. How's all doing? Just got in. Got myself a bro per usual. Today we're going to check this one out. The TOOLBOX MURDER'S. A film by Tobe, the director of Texas Chainsaw Massacre and Poltergeist. It's by Anchor Bay. It's a 2-disc special edition DVD. TOOLBOX MURDER'S. I do have one. I think it's from 79, 78. The original one floating about somewhere. It's an old edition I've got. I like that one. I can get away with watching this one. I don't mind it. It's a nice edition. I picked this one up second hand. I've had it about 3 or 4 years. Nice edition. A lot of features on this. It's got a good documentary on it. An American Nightmare documentary. Stills Gallery. Not a bad edition. We'll have a look inside. I do like these Anchor Bay editions, what they do. Pretty cool. Nice slip-on box with it. And what you get in this. Pop that open. There's your 2 discs. TOOLBOX MURDER'S. And this has actually got a... right at the beginning. Sherry Moon zombies in it. She's just called Sherry Moon in this on the back. Tells you there. Sherry Moon. I recognise her when I've very first seen it. I bought a second-hand one of these in a plastic wallet for 50p without any artwork on it. I think there'd been water damage. I bought it off a market stall. Watched it. I enjoyed it. Came across this one. Picked it up. Nice edition. There you have it. TOOLBOX MURDER'S. Take a disc out. I don't see this one too much when I'm out and about. Take that out. This gives you a chapter section on there. This is the same. It's a nice film this, I don't mind it. Like where they start going inside the walls and stuff like that. So like another different part. Pretty good. Actually opens up. Get a bit of a read there. If you live here, you'll be dead by now. Try and keep this short. 2-disc. 2-disc special edition. TOOLBOX MURDER'S by Anchor Bay. Do like that picture on the front of there. The spine. There you go. Try and get that glare off it. If you like what you see, subscribe. Come back tomorrow. TOOLBOX MURDE'S 2005. Rock on.